So today here at Decadent Keto Diet, it's Memorial Day, and of course we're going to be cooking some amazing steaks. But it's going to be Mr. Fussy, better known as my husband, that's going to be doing the cooking. So I'm going to teach you, or he's going to show you, how to make the perfect steak. While we're waiting for the steaks to cook, you can see our very disinterested cat, Boo. If Bella was still around, she'd be all over everything. Yeah, she could care less that we're cooking these amazing steaks. That's what happens when it's 95 degrees out in Florida. Yeah, I'm talking about you.